A warrior, a visionary, a legend. Today we uncovered the incredible life of one of India's greatest king, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji was born on February 19, 1630 at the Savanari Fort in present-day Maharashtra, India. His mother Jijabai was a deeply spiritual woman who inspired him with stories of Hindu heroes. His father Shahaji Bhosle was a military commander in the Deccan region. From a young age, Shivaji showed signs of bravery, leadership, and deep respect for his culture and people. At just 15 years old, Shivaji captured his first fort, Tuna Fort. It was the beginning of something historic. Soon he took control of more forts and established his rule in the western region of India, challenging the mighty Mughal Empire and powerful sultans of the Deccan. His army, small but fiercely loyal. His strategy, guerrilla warfare, fast, clever, and unpredictable. Shivaji was not just a fighter, he was a ruler with a vision. He promoted Hindu culture, respected all religions, and built a kingdom based on justice and fairness. He strengthened his navy, built a strong culture fort, coastal fort, and protected India's western shores from foreign invasion. In 1674, Shivaji was crowned as Chhatrapati, the sovereign king at Ringad Fort. It was more than a ceremony. It was the birth of the Maratha Empire and a powerful symbol of self-rule and Indian pride. Shivaji Maharaj passed away on April 3, 1680 at the age of 50, but his legacy lives on. He proved that a determined leader with a just cause could rise against mighty empire. He inspired generation of freedom fighters, including Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, not just a king but a symbol of courage, unity, and honor. A warrior who built a nation, a leader who still live in the hearts of millions. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing stories from history.